Hey guys, real quick, I want to make a quick video because, for the longest time I struggled with this and I just couldn't get my conversions to work properly for my sign up forms. So what I want to do is I'm going to make a quick video to show you how you can easily and simply do this very quickly. So when you're in your Google Ads account here, when you go over your conversions, you're going to be in your summary. We're going to go ahead and click create a conversion action. And then when you're in here, you're going to want to do it. We're doing signups. So I'm going to go to the website one here. And then we're going to want to do it manually versus automatic. Okay. I'm just going to use, for example, I'm going to use this one here. So I'm going to copy this is where they're going to opt in. Okay. So this is the landing page you're going to send them to. So I'm going to copy this. And I am using Attractwell, you guys, to build out my landing pages, my campaigns. So I will leave a link in the description below for you guys where you can try that out for $1. Makes it really easy. Now if you have a different website, Square, Shopify, stuff like that, it's going to be a little bit different where you're going to put this information, but it's all going to be the same. Okay, so from here we want to do a manual conversion. So we're going to click add a conversion action manually. And then in here, we want to do a sign up. And then let's just call this, we're going to call this sign up test. Okay, just because I'll remove this when I'm done, but call it whatever it is that you want so you'll know which conversion you're using for if you have multiple landing pages. And for this one, I'm going to do the same value for each one because when people sign up, it's going to be the same. It's not going to be different. You can change around in here, but that's not the purpose of this video. Just doing one. So like I said, this is for leads and signups. You can change all this if you like, but to keep it for simple purposes, we'll just go there. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to hit save and continue. All right, so this is where you're going to grab your snippets. Okay, so you're going to go ahead and click see snippet. Okay, so the first one says page load. Okay, it says add the snippet to the page a customer reaches after completing a conversion. So we're going to copy this right here, and then we're going to add this on our thank you page. So after they put in their information and they go to the next page, this is where we want to put this information. And again, guys, I'm using Attractwell. So if you have a different website or a different place that you use your funnels, you're going to have to put this in a different spot. But if you're using Attractwell, it's very simple. You're going to go in here, you go to advanced, and then you're going to paste it in here. Okay, so let me go ahead and grab a notepad real quick, guys, so I can copy over what I already have. Copy this out here just so I can put it back when I'm done. All right, so here we go. So this right here is what I currently have in here, right? So if you don't have your Google tag already set up, your G tag, you're gonna have to do that. And if you don't know how to do that, I can create another video to show you how to do that. All right, so when you have your tag manager right here, right, then you're gonna enter in your snippet, right? So right here, I have it up here for the snippet. Okay, so what I would do is I would simply copy this, and then I'm going to enter this in right down under here. See where the Google tags end, and then you're going to have your event snippet. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and enter this in here. So put in this one. Now, as you can see, when I was doing it before, it kind of got in between here. So let's just get this all back where it's supposed to be. This is all part of that Google tag, and then this would go right underneath like this. Okay, so let me go ahead and copy this. I'm going to paste this in the header, and I'm also going to paste it in the footer, the exact same thing. All right, and then I'm just going to go ahead and click done. Go ahead and click save. And then now we want to go back to our Google Ads, and we want to put it on the sign up for it, which is going to be this one where it says click. All right. So this is the page that has the button or the link to measure the clicks for the conversion to happen. So we're going to go ahead and copy this. So just go and do copy. We're going to go back to our website. And again, I'm using a trackball, guys, which I will leave a link so you can try this out for $1 for the first month to see if it's something you like. I find it pretty easy to use for all my funnels. So now we're going to go to our lead magnet. I'm going to hit edit. And then we are going to go into settings. We are going to go to advanced. And then what we'll do is we'll paste this at the bottom. Okay. So let me do the same thing here. This is our thank you, just so I can put everything back. And then this is going to be our sign up. All right. Whoops. This is our sign up script. So let me just do this. Get this out of there. I'm going to put this up here. All right. And now I'm going to copy this out of here so I can put this back when we're done. Okay. So I got sign up. There we go. So if we're looking at the conversion again here, it's going to be the same thing. Here's our Google tag, right? And then we have our event snippet in here, which you can see is down here. So that is what we copied up here. Here's our event snippet. So basically you're just going to copy this and you're going to add it underneath our Google Tag Manager. All right, so you can see it here. So I'm going to take this guy right here, copy it, and then if I was in here, I would just go down to where our Google tag ends. And then since I already have this one in here, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put in the one that we have for the new one. Control V, I pasted that in there. And now we have, see, event snippet for sign up test conversion. All right. Now I'm just going to copy this whole thing and I'm going to paste it in the footer as well. All right. If you don't know how to do that, Control A is going to copy all. Control C copies, and then Control V paste. And then I'm just going to go ahead and click done. There we go. I'm going to go ahead and save this. All right. And then we are all set up. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go back to our Google Ads account here. We're going to go ahead and click done. Okay. And then when it comes back to the conversions, it's going to say troubleshoot. All right. And again, if you don't have Google Tag Manager set up, you need to get that set up. And I can show you how to do that as well. But then we're just going to go ahead and click troubleshoot. And this is how we're going to test our conversion to see if it works. Okay. It's going to take us over to Google Tag Manager. Google Tag Assistant, I should say. You're going to connect your landing page. It's going to bring you over to the landing page. Wait for this to connect. And there we go. Just click continue. And now we go here. We're just going to fill in a test. All right. So we'll test testing at Gmail. And then we're going to go ahead and click download. And then once you're down here, you should get this trigger. See how it says navigate your site, other conversion actions, click finish. We got the checkbox. So our conversion has been triggered, and that's how you set it up, guys. If you have any questions, concerns, issues, just leave a comment below and I'll be happy to help out any way you can. But this is the easiest way that I found how to do it. I've watched other YouTube videos and it's very in-depth and they get very, I don't know, just crazy with trying to set it up, and it was very confusing and I couldn't get it to work. So when I figured out exactly how to do it, I wanted to share that with you guys. So again, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, concerns, please leave it in the comments below and I'll be happy to help. But as always, I appreciate you and I hope you have an awesome day. Thanks again. Bye-bye.